What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I know it's been a few days. I've had to take care of some customer cars here at the shop, but we're back on the grind today with the Chalk 335 that we're getting ready for Texas. We got a long day ahead of us, but I think we should be able to get this motor in today. I'm doing a couple more preparations in the engine bay to get this thing ready. I've got my heater hoses I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna run my AC lines because race car gotta have the AC in it. I got a couple other wire harnesses that I'm putting in place. I've got all my grommets and hose connectors in place. I've got the 335D coolant tank in place so that I can get my extended line going to the sensor. I'm gonna route this properly. Everything's set. As far as the motor goes, I just got to get a bolt for the starter. We're gonna get the motor off of the stand. We're gonna throw our rear main seal on. I gotta transfer over the wall onto the 8-bolt flywheel because this was a 6-bolt. Get all that transferred over. We'll put that on the motor. We'll throw the trans on. I did get my short shifter kit was ordered from ECS. It is a Turner part, and let me tell you, this thing is pretty amazing. So here it is. I got my new bracket, I got new pins, and I went with the Delrin upgraded bushings. They're a lot stiffer, so it really, there's no side to side play at all in this. The short shifter kit, it feels absolutely amazing. We got a new bushing in the back as well. So you have a little bit of height adjustability on this. I think it's like 20 or 21 millimeters. And I am using the ZHP shift knob, so I like that it lets you use that. But yeah, I got the throw bearing in place. So this thing's ready to go on the motor. So let's throw our clutch on. We'll throw the trans on, and then hopefully we can get this thing in the car by tonight. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse. We'll do what we do, and we'll see what we can accomplish today. All right, so we've got our old 6-bolt flywheel here. I'm gonna take the wall off of this. As you can see, there's bolts on the back side, and then we'll go ahead and transfer the wall to my 8-bolt flywheel. Now that the wall is all cleaned up, take our 8-bolt flywheel and we'll set this. seal is on, nice and flush. Now we'll go ahead and put our flywheel on. All right, now we got our flywheel. Don't forget to line up your dowel pin with the correct hole. Seen a lot of people mess these up. Forgot one major piece we gotta put back in our pin. I literally almost just put this in without putting the pin back in the flywheel. They took it off for machining. So. All right, take two. Alignment pin is back in. Now we can go ahead and put this back on again. end the video here. Battery kind of died during that time lapse, but we were able to get the motor in. She's in place. Tomorrow, hopefully, she'll be up and running. We'll see. I'm not really trying to rush through this, but I'm gonna get all my lines routed properly in place. Everything reached the way it's supposed to. I just gotta figure out some extra stuff there. This is where I mounted my mag solenoid, and I've got these quick disconnect push lock fittings. Should go straight down to the wastegate that's going to be in this area. Also, I'm getting boost reference off of my intake manifold. That's what you want to do, not off the turbo. So I'm going to have a line that's going to be teed into the intake manifold. But yeah, like I said, motor's in finally. We've got the diesel pipe here. I got to figure out what I'm going to do for my coolant lines. I've got this pipe here, which I'm probably going to block off that section of it and use this one. Since it wraps around here, I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to tee into the heater core going to that bottom water pipe that runs below the motor and across the bottom. Same thing here. I'm going to try to find a 90 that will fit onto my thermostat. If not, I'm going to get rid of this hose, block off or cap off this section, and then that will go to my thermostat. So we're all good. Hopefully, like I said, tomorrow we'll get her up and running, and I'll go through with you guys as far as my break-in procedure for this built motor. It's pretty simple. We'll throw some break-in oil in there, run her for a little bit, and I'll let you guys know what I do as far as that. But still gotta mount the trans, connect the drive shaft, finish up routing my wires for the methanol injection. Shifter's in. Again, nothing's connected, but already this thing is feeling amazing. So super excited about that. I gotta put my clock spring back in. And yeah, we'll leave it at this. Should have another video. This video you'll be seeing it tomorrow morning. And then hopefully we'll do a quick video tomorrow. It'll probably be mostly time lapse of us buttoning everything up here on the car. And then probably the following day, we'll get the front end on. And I don't see why we can't get this out on the road by the weekend or early next week. And then we'll have plenty of time to dial it in before Texas. So there she is. Anyways, thank you guys once again. We'll leave it at this, and I'll catch you guys on the next video tomorrow. Hopefully she'll be running by tomorrow this time.